In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the Yahoo Mail app on your iPhone effortlessly. Whether you're experiencing unexpected glitches or you simply want to enjoy the latest features, keeping your apps up to date is a crucial part of maintaining optimal device performance and security. So, let's walk through the process one simple step at a time, ensuring you can do this confidently on your own. First, let's navigate to the App Store, the go-to place for managing and updating apps on your iPhone. Find and tap the App Store icon perched on your home screen. It resembles a white A on a blue background. Don't worry if you have many apps. The App Store is sometimes nestled within a group of icons. If you're having trouble locating it, you can always swipe down from the middle of the home screen to bring up the search bar, then type App Store. Once you're inside the App Store, you'll want to focus your attention on the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the search icon, which looks like a small magnifying glass. Tap this icon to open the search page. This is where you'll enter the name of the app you want to update. In our case, we're looking for Yahoo Mail. So go ahead and type Yahoo Mail into the search bar and tap the search button or the blue search key on your keyboard. As you search, the results page will display various apps related to your query. Look for the official Yahoo Mail app from Yahoo. It should be one of the top results. Once you've found it, what you see next depends on the app's update status. If there's a new update available, you'll notice an update button positioned prominently next to the Yahoo Mail app entry. Tap on this button to begin downloading and installing the latest version. An update is your app's way of shaking hands with new improvements, enhancements, and crucial security patches, so it's something that's definitely worth doing whenever you have the opportunity. However, if you don't see the button and instead notice an open button, you can relax. This means your Yahoo Mail app is already up to date with the latest and greatest version currently available. No further action is necessary, and you can go ahead and open the app to continue using it as usual. Keeping your apps up to date ensures that you're getting the best possible performance and features. It's a small step that can lead to a smoother, more efficient experience with your device overall. So spend a moment here or there to check for updates, and your iPhone will surely thank you for it. Thanks for watching, and happy updating.